I thought it would be interesting to ask ChatGPT for a recipe and see how it pans out in real life. Can ChatGPT actually come up with a winning recipe? My thoughts were probably yes. After all, it is genius. But pretty soon I found out why you shouldn't blindly make a ChatGPT recipe. So I put it to the test. My prompt was, give me a winning recipe for black sesame and salted caramel cookies. The recipe idea was mine, but the recipe itself was from ChatGPT. It promised 10 to 12 soft, chewy cookies with a dramatic salted caramel lava center, but it didn't exactly go to plan. I used the exact ingredients and quantities that it said. I'll leave them in the description box for you to check out if you're interested. I did the method as it suggested too. Toasted the black sesame and then ground them. I also browned my butter and then combined everything. I started to notice it wasn't coming together as it should, but I wanted to give ChatGPT benefit of the doubt. So let's go through what went wrong. The first issue, this did not make 10 to 12 cookies. It made 3 very large cookies. If I had wanted them smaller, I could have made them smaller, but it still wouldn't be close to the 10 to 12 that it promised. Next up, the texture. No dramatic lava center, just one bit of caramel that was hard to find. These cookies would benefit from lots of little chewy caramel throughout instead. They were also super powdery and very crumbly, not chewy at all. Not exactly what you have in mind for a delicious cookie. And then the biggest issue, the flavor was off. The black cocoa and sesame were unbalanced and the cookie itself was not sweet at all, which was almost surprising because the smell of the cookies was good, so it was kind of deceiving. It just didn't taste very good and I truly wanted to like it, but I couldn't, and that's a real problem for a cookie monster. So here's my question: if you're interested in black sesame and salted caramel cookies done properly, let me know. If you want me to actually recipe develop and make sure it's damn delicious, I need to hear from you. Tell me in the comments and I'll make it right, because black sesame and salted caramel deserves better than this, and so do we.